It's like art to me. You have to be skillful to do this. Just you have to have a good eye and a steady hand. Just like an artist, basically. It teaches responsibility. You get up and go to work on time, hold a job, get a job, keep a job. Takes pride too. Be proud of your work. Teach advanced welding for the students here. And everything from stick welding, flux core, MIG welding, TIG welding. Start off teaching safety first, and then OSHA regulations, safety, and then we go from safety to being prepared what gear you're going to need, welding helmets, boots, gloves, jackets, safety glasses. Welders built this country, from skyscrapers to the bridges. Just a lot of life lessons in welding.